Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install WordPress on a subdomain on Hostinger. So let's get right into it. As you'll see, I am on a Hostinger tutorial myself. That being because I do not have any interest in actually purchasing a Hostinger domain to be able to host it and to install WordPress. Neither do I have a WordPress subscription, which most likely means that I wouldn't be able to do this as well. So I'm just going to be showing you this and you should get everything very easily since this is a very simple instruction set to follow. Now, there are two methods. You can install WordPress manually or using their own tools, and they are both valid options. However, let's first go into how you can create a subdomain. Now, you need to do this through hPanel, and you need to go into domains and then into subdomains from the dashboard. Then click create a new subdomain. You can also specify a custom folder name by checking the custom folder for subdomains box, and once that's done, just click create. Then you need to scroll down to find the subdomain in the list of current subdomains, and as you can see, it looks something like this. You can check the directory information and delete it if you wish. However, that is pretty much it. You can also use a DNS zone editor. However, I would recommend using hPanel if you are already using Hostinger. Now, to install WordPress, you can use it through the auto installer. You just need to go to your website's page and click on dashboard next to the chosen subdomain. Open the website and click on WordPress to install a WordPress installation. And on the overview tab, just select install to start the setup. And that should be it. Install is right below detect WordPress, as you can see. And the pop-up after you install WordPress will appear, or once you click install, the pop-up will appear, and you just need to fill out all the required information, such as the site, the administrator email, the administrator username and password, as well as the installation path and a database as well. And once that's done, you just need to click the admin panel button to access the admin dashboard and begin customization once you're redirected to the subdomain once that's done. You can also do so manually. However, that is a very, very extensive process, which I honestly don't think is worth it. You should just use the installer if you're already using Hostinger. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.